The problem number is 217 contain duplicates. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice. It means they give us a num array, and if the every elements repeat two times, at least two times, or if a number repeat 3 or 4 times, but at least if a number repeat uh, at least two times, then we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. So let's see a first example. They give us a nums array 1 2 3 and 1. Num 1 repeat two times, so the first approach that comes in our mind is the brute force approach. That we start from here, that the element is 1. Now we compare each element of the array. So starting from this 0 index, we compare this element by this, and then the third element, and then false. So if the element is repeated, then we return true, otherwise we return false. And after this, we same thing do by the second element of the array. So we compare the second element with this element and this, and so on. As the size of array increase, the time complexity is increased. In this brute force approach, the time complexity is n squared. Okay, so in this approach, we compare each element with every other element in the array to check if the duplicates. So if any duplicates are found, we return true. This approach is straightforward but has complexities because of n. So it is less efficient. So how we can efficient our code? So let's discuss another approach, which is hash set. So let's see. This is hash set. What we can do here, we check in hash set approach, use a hash set data structure to store encountered element. First we start from this element 0 index, we add this element in hash set 1, then we go add this element 2 1 index, and check this occur in hash set or not. So this is not occurring in hash set, then add this element in hash set. So we move at the second index and check if this element is occurring in hash set or not. If not, then add this element in hash set and look at the index 3 and check if this element is occurring in hash set or not. If yes, then return true. If not, then return false. So we don't need to compare each element of array in this case. So this is an efficient approach, and its time complexity is big of n, which is more efficient than n squared. So I solved my question by this approach. So let's see the code. So let's see how the code will work. First I created the num set variable and store and create the set here. So I use the for loop in nums, and if nums if I in num set, then return true, otherwise nums set dot add I. If the I exists in num set, then it will return true, otherwise we add the element in the num set and return false. So this code is actually work like